Hello. A question. How do birds get the worms to come to the top of the ground? Well, I'm going to show you. Over many years, birds have come up with this fantastic technique to fool the worms into thinking that it's raining. So they will come to the surface of the ground and then the worms can get them and fly away. So I'm going to show you this technique. Now I have got some feet which look pretty bird-like, and I'm going to show you this technique. So if you hold on a moment, here we go. Now here you can see I have my bird feet. Now I'm a bird and I've just flapped in, and I can see that the ground looks very good for worms. So here we go. Now the worms will think it's raining and the birds will pat on the ground with their feet and they'll do a little dance, a little jig, and the worms will gradually come to the top, and they will do this over and over again. So that's how the birds get the worms to come to the top of the ground. Now when you go outside, why don't you have a go and show me your videos? So that was how birds get worms to come to the top of the ground. Now I'm going to read you a little story.